Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can take your IDX feed on the homepage of your KW agent site and iFrame it into like a third-party site. First, you'll want to know exactly what your KW agent site URL is, and then we'll need to adjust it a little bit so that you'll have the proper URL to turn into an iFrame code. So first, right here, let's go into Command and go to the Websites tab in the bottom left. From here, click on Manage Website, and then go into Expert Mode up here in the top right. So the website that you would like to use should show right here. If not, and if you're looking for maybe like a team site, you can click on your name here and choose from the drop-down menu if there's a different site you would like to use. But if this is it, go ahead and click that URL. Make sure it successfully takes you to the site that you are wanting to use. This is our IDX feed right here in this home page that we want to be able to use and embed into a third-party site. So come up here to your website address bar. Put your cursor at the end of the web URL, do a forward slash, and then type in search and hit enter. Should bring you to your search page. Now, there is a reason why we chose not to just click on the search for properties tab on the actual homepage of the site. For some reason, when you go directly to the search for properties tab, it doesn't retain specific details within the code and it doesn't work as well. So do use the method that we just showed you with actually adding the forward slash search into the web address bar to get to this page. Now that you're here, if you want to just use this basic search page and use this to iframe into a third site, you can. I do want to add though, you can actually sit here and adjust any of these filter options, like look up a specific city or state or zip code. You can even choose your sort options right here to possibly show, like maybe you want to show the most recent on the market, so you change it to days on site. You can adjust any of these as you would like to, and it should stick when you go to iframe it into a third-party site so that the search page does pull up a particular area or type of listing that you're looking for. Once you've adjusted these like you would like, go ahead and double click into your website address bar there, and you can right click and copy that whole entire URL. From here, we will need to take this URL and put it into an iframe generator to get our embed code. So we usually use iframegenerator.com. You can use whichever one you're familiar with, but we'll come right here to our iframe URL and simply paste that URL that we copied just a second ago. Make any adjustments that you would like. We generally put the height as 1,000. Excuse me, the width is 1,000, height is 900. You can do higher if you would like. We leave it as pixels, and you can do a scroll bar as yes and border as no. Again, these are just our preferences here, but you can adjust this as you would like to, and then click Generate Code. It's right here. You can click Copy it, and now go ahead and embed that into your third-party site. If you would like, you can also click Preview, and it should bring you right to the page that you were looking at and where you set your preferences. It just may take it a second to load here for us, but that should open up exactly what you would like it to. You can notice the width is a little small. You can come back to the iframe generator and adjust that when you were working on the width and the height. So we can change this, generate the code again, click preview, And now you'll notice it's a little bit wider. So that just lets you know what you can adjust and continue to move around as you would like it. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with any of your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.